Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well and healthy. Welcome to NIDS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Monty. Today I am going to take English class for the students of class 5 on the topic question number 10, exercise 3 and 4. I am repeating. Today our topic is discussion of question number 10, exercise 3 and 4. Students, our today's lecture is 17 and homework number will be 11. Now dear students, please take your writing elements with your notebook. I'm going to discuss question number 10, exercise 3 and 4. Listen to me carefully. In question number 10, you will get such question that is given here. In our last lecture, we have done exercise 1 and 2 of question number 10. And today we will practice exercise 3 and 4. So first one is exercise 3 with the instructions about washing clothes, then answer the questions. So some informations are given for you, then you will get your question. And the informations are: A. Take a bucket full of lukewarm water. Here lukewarm means not so hot, not so cold. Number B. Put enough detergent and make bubble with it. Number C. Rinse the cloth separately in 8 based on light and dark colors. Number D. Wash the clothes after some time until clear water remains. Number E. Bring the clothes and hang them to dry. Now questions are: question number A. What do you need to wash your clothes? So students, after getting these instructions, do you know what do you need to wash your clothes? We know to wash our clothes we have to take lukewarm water, and inside it we have to put detergent in enough amount. So for this question we can say we need lukewarm water and detergent to wash our clothes. I'm repeating, the answer will be we need lukewarm water and detergent to wash our clothes. Question number B. Why should you separate different colors of clothes? Students, why we will separate different colors of clothes? Okay, look. Number C. Rinse the cloth separately in 8 based on light and dark colors. So if we mix both light and dark colors, it can be damaged. Our dark color can damage the light color because color can be sprayed in light colors and it will damage our cloth. So the question is, why should you separate different colors of cloth? And for this answer we can write, we should separate different colors of clothes to reduce the risk of dark colored item mixing onto light colored items. I'm repeating the answer. We should separate different colors of clothes to reduce the risk of dark colored item mixing onto light colored items. Now question number C. What do you wash? How do you wash your dirty clothes? The question is, how do you wash your dirty clothes? So when your clothes are dirty, how you used to wash your dirty clothes? So look, first we used to take lukewarm water and we used to mix detergent, and we need to be careful about your light and dark colors cloth. We have to rinse them separately, and at last after washing we have to hang them and have to dry our clothes. So for question number C, we can say to wash our dirty clothes, first we should take lukewarm water with enough detergent. Secondly, we will wash your light and dark colored clothes separately, and at last we will hang and dry our clothes. I'm repeating, how can we wash our dirty clothes? To wash our dirty clothes, first we should take lukewarm water with enough detergent. Secondly, we will wash our light and dark colored clothes separately. At last, we will hang and dry our clothes. Students, look in question A, B and C. I have used we. Subject, we. But in the question says you. If you want to write the answer, you can use I as subject or we. No problem, but you can't write you. Instead of you can write I or we as subject. I hope you can understand. Now question number 4, read the instructions about drawing a national flag, then answer the questions. First, number A, take pencil, paper and color. Number B, draw a rectangle. Number C, draw a circle in the middle of the rectangle. And D, color the circle red, and at last number E, color the rectangle green excluding the circle. So these are the instructions, and now the questions are question number A, what are the colors of our national flag? Students, all we know that the color of our national flag is green and red. So we can write the colors of our national flag are green and red. I'm repeating, the colors of our national flag are green and red. Question number B, how many shapes do you draw for drawing the national flag and what are they? I'm repeating the question, how many shapes do you draw for drawing the national flag and what are they? And we know from the instructions, we have to draw 2 shapes. First one is rectangle and second one is circle. So for this question, we can write the answer like this. We will draw 2 shapes for drawing the national flag. They are rectangle and circle. They are rectangle and circle. Here we have to use full stop at the end of the sentence. So the answer will be, we will draw 2 shapes for drawing the national flag. They are rectangle and circle. Question number C, and it is our last question. How do you draw the national flag of Bangladesh? I'm repeating, how do you draw the national flag of Bangladesh? So for drawing the national flag of Bangladesh, first we have to take our elements like pencil, paper and color. Then we have to draw a rectangle, and inside the rectangle we have to draw a circle. Then we have to color the whole flag. That means in rectangle we will give green color and in circle we will give red color. So how can we write the answer of this question? Look, here I have written the answer. You can write like this. To draw the national flag of Bangladesh, first we have to take pencil, paper and color. Then we will draw a rectangle with a circle in the middle of that rectangle. Finally, we will give green and red color. I'm repeating, to draw the national flag of Bangladesh, first we have to take pencil, paper and color. Then we will draw a rectangle with a circle in the middle of that rectangle. Finally, we will give green and red color. Students, here in last line you can change it and you can write of your own, saying finally we will give green color to the rectangle and red color to the circle. If you write like this, your answer will be correct. Now students, it's time to provide your homework. Look here, your homework will be exercise 4. Your homework will be exercise 4. It means this one will be your homework. Students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. See you in our next class, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.